Kyle showed us his prosthetic when we met with him at the beach, and he showed us how it's very rigid and it doesn't allow ankle movement, and so that's kind of what he wants us to design for his surfing prosthetic.
Today we're starting the process of manufacturing for our carbon fiber foot.
I have never been able to see the lab, and so John invited me, and it was a perfect opportunity, and I really wanted to come see. After hearing about it for so long and seeing the videos that Tanya and John sent me, and I just found it fascinating to really come and see how it works. We heard about the Quality of Life Plus lab from John Monet, who we've had a long relationship with.
QL Plus started 10 years ago, and we started very small here at Cal Poly, and this last 2 years have seen incredible growth, and we still are looking for more challengers.
My husband and I were fascinated with the program and the possibilities of helping the challengers and also helping the students, and we thought it was a good fit. And so we became donors early on. My first impressions were the students are very poised, and their communication skills are really far beyond. Their commitment to the project and their interaction with the challenger obviously is very important. And I think it's just a really cool thing for Cal Poly to have.